Howdy y'all, it's Kathy from Rust Paper Scissors, and I'm here today to do a flip through of another journal that I will have for sale in my Etsy shop. This is a spiral bound journal. I will list the dimensions and the number of pages in the description. It has just some sticky backed velvet on the front. The focal point is just this digital with some ribbon twist paper and some corrugated cardboard. The back is just a wooden witch's hat that I painted and added the ribbon to. The side, it has a few things showing off the side, a little poison bottle, some little red shoes. There's a little mention of the Wizard of Oz, and that's Dorothy's red shoes. And then the top is just a variety of things that I have sticking out. It comes with a bookmark that has the little crescent moon, and then the closure is a bulldog clip with chain, and it also has the same little crescent moon. So let's go inside. This is a typical style of my journals. It is basically a retro journal, but more importantly, it's basically a blank journal. And I say that because there are a lot of blank pages, but the other thing is most of the ephemera you can move around, and that way I just think it gives you the opportunity to really make the journal your own. And that's my main goal, is for you to make the journal your own. So it just says Wicked Good Time, and then on the inside is just a library card with a little witch on there, and then it has some tags, a little pumpkin tag, and then a little black cat digital, and then these are just a couple of blank tags. Again, that's for you to create your own. And it has a library card for you to maybe put the title of your book, the author, that maybe the date. I envision this journal as it could be one that you could use for several years, because there's so many blank pages and so many different things for you to mention. It talks about Happy Halloween. It says, when witches go riding and black cats are seen, the moon laughs and whispers, 'tis near Halloween. And then this is just a little chalkboard boo that I made from the Dollar Tree. And then this is just a little digital that I've made a sticker. And then this is just another little sticker I made. This is from the digital kit, and then I made this little spooky tag, and it just clips on there. It's a little metal rim tag. And that's just a little fingerprint. And then this is a digital, and then it just has a couple of little Halloween items in there. Again, that's for you to make your own. This is another little Dollar Tree wooden tag that I painted, and I added things that go bump in the night, and then I just added a rusted alligator clip on there. All the metal and items are rusted. There's several rusted paper clips and different things. This is just a little ticket, digital tickets. And then that's another Halloween pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. And I had that one on with a paper clip. And then this one talks about the haunted mansion. When hinges creak in the darkness, when hinges creak in doorless chambers and strange and frightening sounds echo through the halls, whenever candles lights flicker, where air is deathly still, this is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror and ghoulish delight. And then this is just the bookmark. And this is just a little digital, Haunted This Way. This is just another little digital, again, held on with a paper clip. This is a guest check, and it talks about the poison apples. And then this is one taste of a poison apple, and the victim's eyes will close forever in the sleeping death. And then this is the little image from the Wizard of Oz, flying monkeys. They scared me so bad when I was a kid. And then I just added the little red shoes on there. And then the back is the witch melting. I'm melting. And then, let's see, this is just a little wobble. And then the little toad warts. So I thought that was cute. It's just a variety of different things that you might, want to have in Halloween. This is just another digital, and then these are the little inserts. Again, you could place these throughout the journal as you wish. And then it says, All Hallows Eve. The pumpkins grinned from ear to ear. The moon is bright, the sky is clear. This is the night we've waited for, when ghouls come knocking on the door, when witches ride their broomsticks high, and ghosts and goblins fill the sky. Then all the children will join the scene, sing and scream, it's Halloween. And then here's another little Halloween digital. And then the Black Cat fortune-telling game. And this is just a little trick-or-treater. And then this is just another guest check. It has Eat, Drink, and Be Scary, and then a little Bon Appetit under there. Then this one says, Double, double, toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble, something wicked this way comes. And then this is just another library pocket, and I just added several different little images for you to, add to your journal, little trick-or-treater, and then these are just some stickers, little goblin stickers. So that's that. And then this is just another little digital sticker that I made. And then this is Dracula, and this is just a little vial with some it says poison, but it's black glitter. And then this is just a library card that I covered with several different labels and potions. And then inside is just several tags here. A little infectious substances tag, chloroform poison, and then a blank tag, and then a little skeleton tag. So that's that. And then this is just a little label on the side. This is another tag that I made, a little sticker from a little monster set, a digital kit, and then I added the radioactive. And that's just another little good goblin. And then this is just a little paper clip that looks like a skull. And then this is the last page. And then this is a back tuck spot, and then it just has a little Happy Halloween and then a tag. And then this back, this is all removable. And it's a little, again, a Subway, again, a library card holder. And it's got the blank tags, and then it's just got the Subway art on there. And then this is just a little collection of pages that I thought you might like to make tags or use in your journal. And then this one says it's a map, and it says, I'd turn back if I were you. And so it comes with, I added this little pencil here from the Dollar Tree, and it's got little bats on there. But I also liked this little, I made kind of like a little magic wand, and I added the skull on the top, and I thought that would look cute in here, but I didn't know if that was maybe too creepy for somebody. They may not want it so creepy, more neutral. So you could add that, or you could even, when you set your journal up or place it out, you could set it on the side here, and it could be on the side. So that's just a couple of ideas. This will be for sale in my Etsy shop. I also still have some journals left, and I thought I'd just show them real quickly. There are videos on my YouTube channel, but there's these 3 little mini journals, and then I have this clipboard that's got several little things inside, and then I have this poison apple journal still available, and then I also have a little monster video. So these are available in my shop. I just wanted to show them again. I appreciate your time. I thank you very much.